So I was just reading this article from March 16th, 2020. And it said that people with blood type A are more susceptible to COVID. And the study had been done in China. And on, a number like over 2,000, like 2,800 people. They tested and then saw who was, what blood type. And then it gets put into, it was an extensive study. Then these studies get put into this particular site. Almost seems like a Wikipedia, but not Wikipedia. Okay? It's where you present your research. And then other scientists, peers, review it, do studies on it, and then that's a peer review. Then that makes it credible, I guess, to where then it gets moved into an actual position of it should be looked at very seriously. Lulu, please. So, Lulu, stop it. So the U.S. says, well, there are certain sugars that are more apparent on surfaces of the red blood cells of each individual blood type, which attract different diseases. They can tell that blood type B is more susceptible to malaria. So they did studies. But they said, but since it hasn't had a peer review, but aren't they the peers? Or is it a certain group of people selected that just refuse to do a study or to just call it peer reviewed? I mean, that seems very, I'm going to include the article in the link, okay? I'm just saying, that's disturbing that line. They said, it doesn't mean that if you have blood type A that you're more, that you should like panic. And it doesn't mean that if you don't have blood type A that you should feel you're safe. Everybody should wash their hands. Oh, really? You think? Is that what it comes down to? I will include the link. I'm just saying that just read it. Take care.